Now there's plenty of popcorn left, even in the bottom bowl. It is peanut butter and syrup coated lightly. 1 very large tablespoon of peanut butter, not a lot, and about 1/8 of a cup or a little less of corn syrup. To about a quarter 5-gallon bucket of popcorn, hand mixed. So it was just a real light coating so it won't be messy. It is a little sticky, not much. It's got plenty of goodness on it. All the birds are waking up pre-dawn, welcoming each other with their sounds, their calls. They're sort of simmering down from a minute ago. That's not the sun, that's just a very dim sky. Just the phone is illusionary. Wish I'd got a little more sleep last night, but I'm good. 7 hours is enough. There's the Oasis. It's my studio deck. I got the light on still. Let's unplug the light. There we go. Got my light. I got another. I could make it even brighter here. Got the Kuhn sauna water dish. I'm willing to work on outside projects also, or custom adapt anything I build or can build for money or interest. You know, if someone's willing to work at anything I'm doing and can facilitate it further than I can, I'm always interested. Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel from East Tennessee. Thank you.